Hey everyone, welcome back.
For this weekend, we are doing a little food review at one of our favorite places in Evansville, Indiana. You can tell them what it's called.
It's called Gangnam. It's a Korean restaurant downtown near the Ford Center. I've only been here twice now, I think.
And I've only been here one time.
Yeah,
but it became one of our favorites.
Yeah, very good.
Fast. Yeah.
So we'll take you along and show you what we normally order and give you some recommendations.
Yep.
So here at the restaurant, it's fairly close to the Ford Center. So if you're ever in town for an event, it's a good spot to go to.
Okay, let's go inside. Not worried. I know.
See mango drink now.
Alright, we're starting with some crab rangoon, so I can kind of get a picture. It looks different than like the normal that you see, but when we were here last time it was really good, so I'm excited. It was really good. It's kind of the inside. It's almost like dressed like sushi, kind of. It's very good though. If you like crab rangoon, get this. Alright, so Braden's gonna give it a try.
There was my table. Okay.
Braden is a big soy sauce fan, so he's dipping it in soy sauce.
Good. Alright, for our dinner, we both got the same thing. We got chicken bulgogi with the fried rice, so it's very good.
And give it a taste.
Yeah. Very good.
It smells so good. I've made this at home one time because we've had it here and we liked it. It did not turn out as good, but it was pretty good. So their fried rice is also really good, and then they have homemade yum yum sauce that I really like. Braden's not a huge yum yum fan, and he likes it.
I like it, yeah.
So if you come, get the yum yum sauce, the fried rice. They have lots of good things on the menu, but definitely chicken bulgogi is our favorite.
The rice is unique in that I think it has almost like a peppery flavor to it, but it's really good. I like it. It's different than what you'll normally find, but it's very good. It's got a few different types of vegetables. I think it's got carrots, maybe some peas and some other stuff in it, but very good. So the restaurant here is pretty close to the Ford Center if you ever go to an event there, and then Victory Theater is right there as well. So pretty convenient to a lot of things downtown here.
Yeah. All right, we're all done. It was very good. I definitely could not eat it all, so I have my to-go box. We just kind of wanted to like rate what we had and what we liked, and if we didn't like something. My favorite the whole time is probably either the fried rice or the yum yum sauce. Braden, what was your favorite?
My favorite is probably the bulgogi. I really liked it. I'd say for the crab rangoon, I like it. I like the filling. The outside I wasn't a huge fan of because they do use seaweed kind of as a wrap.
And it's like fried.
Fried with like a little batter on the side, on the outside. I'm not a huge seaweed fan. But
I'm not either, but I liked it like that.
Yeah,
Like I don't like seaweed by itself, but when it was like fried with the rice and crab, it was really good.
And you can barely taste it. I mean, it's just a little preference thing. So
Yeah.
But yeah, it was very good. I would say for the bulgogi, I've never really had it anywhere else. I'd say probably like an 8.5 for me.
8.5.
8.5, yeah.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say probably like 8.7 would be a good thing.
And with the yum yum sauce, I do not like yum yum sauce, and I do like theirs. So that's I like that. So
yeah, the yum yum sauce and the fried rice both, I would give like a 9.1 because I really liked both of those.
Yeah.
The crab rangoon, I'm gonna say like 8.3 because I really like it, but I also like there's not a lot.
I'd say with the filling, mine would be about like a 7-8. With the filling and the wrapper, probably a 6.5 or so. But I do like it, but it's different than what other crab rangoons we've had, which I mean is good. I mean, I like to try different things. So
overall, like the restaurant, we really like Asian food and trying new things. So I would probably overall give it like 8.6. I think. Would be
I was gonna say 8.5. So.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we really, if you really like Asian food or if you like just trying new things, definitely recommend it. We really like it, and it's kind of like the last time we were here, it was really busy. This time it was really empty, so I feel like it is kind of one of those hidden gems where, you know, it was really good food and we were like one of the only ones in there. So but all right, well, thanks for joining us this weekend. We will see you next weekend for some more food talk.